everyone, this is Berlin Biker, and we are in my 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn truck. The light just went on indicating that I am out of windshield wiper fluid for the front of my truck. So we're at the gas station, we're gonna go buy that fluid, and I'm gonna show you how to put it in. That sounds interesting? This is the video for you, keep watching. Let's go buy some windshield wiper fluid. Now that we have the washing fluid, let's pop the hood and let's show you how to do it. Step one, there's a latch underneath the steering wheel. You gotta pop that to open the hood. So let's do that now. All right, so underneath the center of your hood, there's a latch. On the right side, you basically slide it left. Opens it up. Boom, that does it here. The front right, where you see this little logo, that's the washer fluid. Open that up. It usually helps if you have a funnel, but I got this. Okay, that's done. Close the hood. Let's check out, make sure it still works. I'm not falling off. Ah! So let's, now that we have new washing fluid in the truck, let's turn it on. Let's cycle it through to make sure it's pushing out and, you know, everything's working right. Look at that. Works perfect. And in a minute, you too can have new washing fluid in your truck. If this is helpful, guys, you know, hit that subscribe button. As you guys know, this is my 2019 Ram 1500. Lots more videos of this are happening over the winter as the motorcycle unfortunately heads into the garage. More truck-focused content to get me through the winter. Thanks, guys. That's it for now. Go out there and drive safe.